It's 4:30 in the morning. Everybody's passed out besides me and Drew. About to hit Nathan in the face with this ham.
See? He fucking woke up.
Well,
How does he do it?
Then.
We're gonna hit Zach in the face till he wakes up.
Nathan, then we're gonna hit Zach in the face with this ham. Throw it at him full speed. Watch Zach's face.
He hit his boob. He hit his face, so it makes that funny makes a funny sound.
We got it right here. Right here.
He smiled. He grinned about it.
Alright, who next?
Charlie.
Alright, let's go.
Grab the piece of ham.
Oh, Danny, please.
But Danny, no, look at the way Charlie's face is. Hit Chase in the face with it. Wish we could get like a good slap. Yeah, let me try. Here.
Who are you hitting?
Chase. I think if you go. See what I mean? What is it?
He didn't even move.
We should just leave this on Charlie though.
Definitely. This fucker right here. Got some ham for you, motherfucker.
Take it off.
Todd doesn't know what he's talking about.
That's funny, I didn't see that one yet.
Everybody woke up, but they probably won't remember this. Danny has a Hitler stash and he hates Jews. Jesse has a big dick on his back, but he won't know that. And ham on his side. I don't know what's going on there. Well, me and Drew were the last ones. And we rode on everybody. Zach's got a pretty good trim going on. Nathan's too gay and he wakes up every time we touch him.